How to convert 300 international unit to milligram for vitamin D? So at first we will convert this international unit IU to to microgram. From microgram we will convert milligram. This is two-step process. So our given information is 300 IU. So right here. Now you can write here 1. The value of this and this is similar. Now instead of 1 you have to write conversion factor using this conversion equation IU. Look, would like to cancel this IU and would like to convert this microgram. So we will use this conversion equation to cancel this IU part of this equation will be denominator, so that I can cancel this IU with this IU. So this part will be numerator. Again, I would like to convert this microgram to milligram. So we have to use this conversion equation. Okay. So you can write here one more one. So to cancel this microgram part of this equation will be denominator. So that you can cancel this microgram with this microgram. This portion will be numerator. Now 300 times 1 times 1 means 300 milligram divided by 40 times 1000. 40 times 1000. Now cancel this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. So we are getting this. Okay. 3 divided by 40 times 10 milligram. So 3 divided by 40 times 10. 1 times 4, 400. 300 divided 3 divided by 400 milligram. Now divide 3 3 by 400. Okay, 3 by 400. So we are getting this 0.0075 0.0075 milligram. This is our answer for vitamin D.